having the certificate in your hand. Having certificate in your hand is really indeed a proud moment, isn't it? So clap for yourself for completing the course and having the certificate from your mentor, right? So now you're a certified healer. Means a lot. Yes. Now, I would like to call our next speaker on stage. That after becoming a mother, personal growth takes a backseat. But what if motherhood becomes the driving force for transformation? Today, we introduce a woman who shattered that myth. Let's welcome Amrita Begwani on stage, a mom on a mission, not only to be a healer, but to heal many, many, many others' life. Guys, somebody is on stage. Yes, I would request all of you to give a big round of applause. Please stand up. Yes. What you sow, so you reap. What you give, so you get. Isn't it? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here, Amrita. All yours.
Thank you. So, I, Amrita Begwani, first of all, जय माता दी। आज से नवरात्रे भी शुरू हो रहे हैं। तो मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, वैसे बॉटअप मेरा ओडिशा से है। जय जगन्नाथ, जय जगन्नाथ। तो मेरी जर्नी बहुत अलग है। मेरा बॉटअप सब कुछ हो गया, स्टडी सब कुछ कंप्लीट। मदर होने के बाद में कुछ रियलाइजेशन हुए, लाइफ को कैसे आगे बढ़ाया जाए, कैसे अपनी ग्रोथ बनाई जाए, कैसे अपने आप को साबित किया जाए। मेरी जर्नी वैसे ही है। मैंने किस तरह अपने स्टेप्स लिए और किस तरह अपने आप को आगे बढ़ाई। स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी एक ऐसी जर्नी है जो सब जानते हैं, इतनी नहीं है, इतनी भी नहीं है, बहुत वास्ट है। हम इतना भी सीखते हैं, इतना भी सीखते हैं और सीखते चले जाते हैं। सबको पता है हम इतना भी सीखे वो भी कम, इतना सीखे वो भी बहुत कम है। कम कम कम, कब ख़त्म होगा इसका कोई एंड नहीं है। तो मेरी जर्नी भी कुछ ऐसी ही थी। मेरी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई तो मॉम ऑन अ मिशन। मैं स्कूल लाइफ सब कुछ कंप्लीट हुआ, लेकिन मेरे को अपना मिशन नहीं मिला। बीइंग अ चाइल्ड इन माई पेरेंट्स हाउस, वी गर्ल्स वर नॉट अलाउड टू डू जॉब। सो मेरी जर्नी वहाँ भी ख़त्म हुई। सबका ये कहना था जॉब करके क्या कर लोगी, आगे जर्नी यही है, खाना बनाओगी, शादी होगा, सब वहीं ख़त्म, क्या कर लोगी। तो मॉम ऑन अ मिशन, अ जॉयफुल राइड फ्रॉम नर्चरिंग फैमिली टू नर्चरिंग अनदर्स फैमिली, जर्नी बिगिन स्टार्टेड। अ जर्नी, अ स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी इज़ अ लाइफ लॉन्ग एक्सप्लोरेशन। सबको पता है हम इतना भी सीख ले, कितना भी सीख ले, वो ख़त्म नहीं होता। तो जर्नी इज़ नॉट जस्ट अबाउट फाइंडिंग हैप्पीनेस, इट्स creating it. So I, Amrita Begwani, want to share how my journey started. So my trip towards spiritual healing, it was around September में तो मैंने अपने आप की टैरो रीडिंग स्टार्ट की, बट उसके 1.5 साल पहले से भी बहुत कुछ हुआ। जब मैंने मेरी लाइफ में जो प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हुए उसकी वजह से मैंने जब एक टैरो कोच से अपनी रीडिंग कराई तो मुझे नहीं पता था टैरो मुझे ऐसे अट्रैक्ट करेगा कि मेरे को सीखना पड़ जाएगा। तो मेरी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई सितंबर 2023 से। वहाँ से मैंने टैरो सीखा। विद इन 3 months ऑफ दैट मैंने अपने आप को एस्ट्रो सेज पे एज ए एस्ट्रोलॉजर लॉन्च कर लिया। जब लॉन्च किया जर्नी वहाँ भी ख़त्म नहीं हुई। वहाँ से मैंने अपने आप को बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस पे लाने की ट्राई की। हाँ, फिर वहाँ से मेरा मैनिफेस्टेशन स्टार्ट हुआ। वहाँ मुझे मैम मिली। मेरा मैनिफेस्टेशन था कि लोग बहुत बोलते हैं कि जो कोच है वो कुछ भी कर सकता है, तो मैंने मैनिफेस्ट किया कि मुझे भी कोच बनना है। अब कोच कैसे बनूं? कोचिंग के लिए मैंने करीब मेरे रिलेटिव्स में भी 1-2 हैं जो बहुत अच्छे कोच हैं, मैंने उनको पूछा। जब मैंने सैलरी सुनी मैं बैठ गई कि मेरे में इतनी औकात नहीं है कि मैं 1 लाख, 3 लाख, 5 लाख रुपए खर्चे करके एक कोच बन जाऊँ। मेरी उतनी औकात नहीं थी। तो मैंने बोला अब क्या किया जाए, क्या मैं इसीलिए बनी हूँ जस्ट ए टैरो रीडर? नो। देन आई स्क्रॉल्ड इंस्टाग्राम। सबको पता है इंस्टाग्राम पे मैम स्क्रॉल करते करते मिल जाती है, मुझे भी मिली। वहाँ से क्या हुआ, जब मैंने अपने आप की मैनिफेस्टेशन शुरू की, सब कहते हैं ना जैसा बोगे वैसा पाओगे, तो मैंने मैनिफेस्ट करना स्टार्ट किया। मेरी जर्नी धीरे धीरे चेंज होने लगी। तब मैंने अपनी घर के कामों के साथ में टैरो जर्नी को भी इंक्लूड करना स्टार्ट किया, साथ में मैनिफेस्ट किया। टैरो एस्ट्रोसेज से मैंने इतना कॉन्फिडेंस गेन किया। रिसेंटली 2024 सितंबर, विद इन 1 ईयर, आज मैं एस्ट्रोटॉक पे एज एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर एंड अ लाइफ कोच हूँ। अब क्या हुआ, मैम से मिली, मैम के साथ में मेरा 1-on-1 कंसल्टेशन कॉल गया। विद इन 30 मिनट्स, मैंने टाइम भी नहीं लगाया, मैम को पूछा मैंने। मेरा क्वेश्चन एक था, मैम क्या आप कोच बनाओगे मुझे? मैम याद होगा मैंने यही पूछा था, और मेरे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं थे। हाँ, मैं मैम को नहीं जानती थी, मेरे लिए बहुत नया था, मन में डर भी था मैं करूँ कि नहीं करूँ। लेकिन जब मैम से मैंने बात की, इट वॉज जस्ट अ ड्रास्टिक चेंज। मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि एक मैम जो मेरी लाइफ को ऐसे बदलेगी। मैंने स्टार्ट किया अपनी जर्नी बहुत स्मूथली, सब कुछ गया। मैम के साथ मैंने रिसेंटली, आपने सुना होगा, 33 कोर्स किए। उनमें से ये कोर्स के कुछ नाम हैं: शिवा रेकी, हनुमान रेकी, कंसेप्ट ऑफ NLP, एंजल हीलिंग, सिंबल्स, लक्ष्मी यंत्र हो, ओपन और बहुत सारे कोर्स। मैम रेकी के सारे कोर्सेज मैंने मैम के लिए, और वो सब मैंने अपने क्लाइंट्स पे डाले। मधुरा मैम, आई विल रियली थैंक यू। आपने मेरी जर्नी यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँचा दी। और लिटरली आपको मैंने ये चीज़ बोला होगा, आपको याद होगा कि मैंने अपने हस्बैंड के लिए ये सरप्राइज़ रखा है। मैंने उनको नहीं बताया था। पैसे मैंने अरेंज किए, मैंने जैसे भी अरेंज किए। और मैम को मैंने विद इन 30 मिनट्स मैंने पेमेंट दे दी। वहाँ से मेरी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई। हाँ, 3 मंथ्स मेरे को लगे पूरे कोर्स को समझने में, और विद इन 6 मंथ्स मैंने जो अचीवमेंट ली है, मैंने पर्सनल 7 क्लाइंट्स जनरेट किए हैं, 1.5 लाख से ऊपर कमाए हैं। और आज मैं गर्व के साथ बोलती हूँ, आई एम एन इंडिपेंडेंट वुमन हु कैन हील एवरीवन अराउंड द वर्ल्ड। Yes, I can do it just because of one and only one Madhura ma'am. And really thank you मैम। आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, मैंने आपने मेरे को ये बोला था जब हमारी 1-to-1 कंसल्टेशन हुई थी कि अमृता, अगर आप ये करते हो तो आपको स्टेज पे अवार्ड तो बात की बात थी। मैम ने ये बोला था मैं प्रोग्राम करूँगी दिल्ली में। मैम ने तब नोटिस किया कि नहीं पता, तब मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि शायद ये टाइम है मैं अपने आप को प्रूव कर सकती हूँ। मैंने कोर्स लिया, सब कुछ किया। और एक चीज़ पता है आप लोग को, देखो दिखाती हूँ, मोबाइल में सब कुछ है, ये बात सही है, क्योंकि मेरी जर्नी ही मोबाइल से स्टार्ट हुई। आज तक में मैंने करीब जो 6 मंथ्स की जर्नी थी, 962 क्लाइंट्स, 3 and 4 वेटिंग टिल दे आर वेटिंग फॉर मी कि मैम आप जल्दी आओ और हमें जल्दी दो, सर्व करो अप्रॉक्स। और आज भी जर्नी ये है मैम आपके लिए। I was always goal oriented. Yes, I was. सुपर हीलर जर्नी में जितने लोग भी मेरे साथ थे, सबको ये चीज़ पता है कि मैं सबसे पहले थी जो मैम ने टास्क दिया और उसको तुरंत कंप्लीट किया। राइट एवरीवन हियर? यस आई वॉज द वन. क्यों? क्योंकि मैं डेडिकेटली वर्क कर रही थी. मेरे को प्रूव करना था. इस जगह पे मेरे हस्बैंड दीपेश बेगवानी जो मेरे को बहुत सपोर्ट किए. और जब उनको फाइनली पता चला कि बैंगलोर में इवेंट है और मुझे अवार्ड दिया जाएगा, ही सेड मी नो आई विल नॉट स्टॉप यू फॉर दिट. मैम बताऊंगी, नवरात्रि में वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू ट्रैवल. We are not allowed to. Being a lady, we are not allowed to. My father-in-law stopped. But still he supported. Still he said, no, you go. I am there. I will see here. Just go. Behind my children are waiting. They saw the award. They just said, Mama, you did it. What you said. It was just a very great achievement for me. My parents always supported me. My mother and my brother who didn't came, she cried yesterday that I didn't attend it. Mole, no, it's okay. It's just a destiny, nothing else. Yes, I am really thankful for my husband, my family and everyone. According to you, who a healer is? Can anyone say who the real healer is? No one. Then see. Answer is, so I must say a healer that possesses the ability to help others hear their inner voice. I can see the soul earning of another and help that person connect back to the authentic truth and desire. Right? जो अगर एक हीलर नहीं कर सकता वो कोई नहीं कर सकता. मेरे हिसाब से एक हीलर वो है जो इंसान बेड पे भी पड़ा हो तो हम उसको खड़ा कर सकते हैं. राइट एवरीवन हियर? यस, वी कैन डू दैट. बट लास्ट, अब नहीं लूँगी ज़्यादा टाइम. आई थिंक बहुत जन बोर हो रहे हैं. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अभी 30 हुए हैं, 33 हुए हैं. मैम 50 कोर्स का टारगेट ले रही हूँ. एंड ऑन द स्टेज आई प्रॉमिस दैट, मैम आपने जो कल बोला था आई वॉन्ट 30 to 50 lakhs within 9 months. आई प्रॉमिस यू ऑन स्टेज. येस, आई विल मेक इट. येस, आई विल. थैंक यू ऑल. दैट्स ऑल.
So there's something I want to tell about Amrita. She said, I don't want to talk. मैं नहीं बात करूँगी मैम, मुझे डर लगता है. I said, नहीं, you should talk. You should come on stage. You should at least 10 minutes. मैं क्या बात करूँगी मैम? I said, just tell your story. Just share your story, nothing else. And I wanted her to share her story because for me, she's an action taker. And I want to tell
Guys,
each one of you who
let's have a big round of applause,
Yes.
please. Means a lot from your mentor.
How many of you have dreams? Yeah? I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to achieve something, I want to take some name, fame, anything, yeah? Dreams don't work if you don't work. Yeah, it'll just remain a dream if you don't work. So when Amrita was on the first day asking me that, क्या मैं कर सकती हूँ, I also want to become a coach. And she paid me in just 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, as she paid, I realized her mindset is ready. She just wanted to do it. But she didn't stop there. For anybody who feels I was not able to do it in the super healer journey, I want to tell you, please start taking action, because it's only about action taking. Only when you implement what you learn is what happens, and you need to do it fast. We are, the time is ticking, tick, 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 tick. So when I say, come on, do this, she sends it in the group. How many of you agree she's the first one? Yeah? Her classmates.
Recently, सुंदरेश सर वही हैं, बोल रहे हैं कि अमृता मैम आप क्या हो, आप ऐसे करते हो कि बस सबको धक्का देना है कि कर डालो, कर मैंने कर दिया तो आप भी कर सकते हो, बस कर डालो.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
So she started doing everything fast. And she started generating money also very fast. She started putting results also very fast. And that's why others started taking action. So those of you who think that I can just join a course, I can just learn something and do it, no, you need to take action. You can get a roadmap, you can get a guide, you can get a coach, but ultimately everything needs to be done by yourself. And hence, huge congratulations to you, because you have done it.
Congratulations,
Yes.
Amrita. Thank you so
Wonderful.
much for sharing your journey with us. Thank you. And now, Madhura, I would like to call you once again. There is a surprise for you without your information. Deepti's daughter, Mannat, wants to give you something, right? Mannat, please come. You want to say something, Mannat?
Thank you so much. What's this?
So, I just completed my 12th and I gave my boards, and 3 months earlier, I started my new brand for accessories known as Kalakar Man. And I knew for sure that I manifested it with my mother that I would give this to the lady who gave my angel the wings. So it's a token of love from my brand to her.
Oh, lots of clips, lots of yes, lots of. These are handmade or what is it?
These are all handmade.
Handmade?
Yes.
Wow. Lots of colorful stuff. Clips. Yeah. Thank you so much, Mannat.
Thank you.
And wishing you huge success.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I want to remind again, at the age of, how old are you?
17.
17, she wants to take healing and life coaching as her career. So imagine if this age she gets into it, what she will be when she's my age. And this is one regret that I have, that why did I not start early? So for those of you who want to put in your children, do it.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you so much, Mannat.
Okay, now we do have one more session, but before that, please take a tea break and come back within 10 minutes. Right? Clap for yourself before that. How many of you have it in your mind? I wish I was a child even now. Yes? How many of you feel sometimes, Arey yaar, if I had a time machine, I could have changed that moment. How many of you feels that even now? Yes? How many of you would sit and think, if there was a magic pen where I could rewrite my fate, rewrite my fortune? Yes, a big yes, yes. Shakalaka boom boom. Yes. Okay, for the people who are there still having the tea, I would like to say we are closing the door on a count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Adi, Akanksha, Advait, I would request you please stand near the door and inform people, whoever is having tea and coffee, to be back. On a count of 1 to 10, we are closing the doors and we are not opening it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now nobody is coming inside. No one is coming inside now. Advait, Akanksha, Aditya, please don't leave anyone inside. No. Please come. Jaldi, jaldi. Aao, aao, jaldi aao. All right, now what if I tell you, now there is going to be a magic wand in your hand to rewrite your journey. How many of you would want that? Yes? How many of you would want to speak the child within you? How many of you want that? How many of you would want it to transform an amazing transformational journey of yours from a super healer to super duper ultimate empowered powerful healer? Yes? For that, please welcome all mentors India's mentor, your very own Madhura Girish on stage once again. Are we welcoming her like this? Yes, music please.
Okay, thank you everyone. Have your seat. I'm giving you a quick talk, and this talk is inspired by me myself. This is my own version. All right. So everyone, do you feel that after coming to the event, you feel there's something that's changed? You'll go back, you'll implement some new things, you'll change the way you live, you change the way you think, and something you want to change, you feel like that? Yeah. But I feel no, you're not going to do that. You'll go back home and you'll say, "Ayo, same old story, same old lifestyle, same old people, same old energy."
If we will do, तो हम अपने आप को ही cheat कर रहे हैं.
Correct. So for that, I want all of you to go back with your goals clear. Because if you do not have your goals clear, you can't achieve things, right? Are we in? Yes. Okay. The most important thing, yes, this version 2.0 updating, which means आपका दूसरा नया version update हो रहा है, right? Very good. Physically, write down. What changes do you want to bring in your physical body? It could be height, it could be weight. Sorry, height is difficult. Weight. You want to work on your skin, you want to work on your hair, you want to work on your kidney, liver, heart. What is it that you want in your physical body? Quickly tell me. Write down. What changes you want? You want to lose weight? Yes. How much weight? 10 kg. Okay, let's take an example. Anyone who wants to declare how much weight you want to lose? Yes, one by one, get up and tell me. Arunima? 10 kg. 10 kgs by when? Yeah, by the end of this. Okay. Who's next? Yes, Bhama. 15 kilos. By when? July end. Very good. Rachna, what about you? 5 kg, 5 months. Yes. So write down physically what you want to change in your physical appearance. Write it down quickly. I want to lose weight. I want to work on my immunity. I want to work on my strength. I want to work on my stamina. I want to work on my endurance. I want to work on my physique, personality, six-pack, abs. What is it that you want? Yes, those people who are overweight, men and women. Okay. Now coming to the mental ability. What is it that you feel you can upgrade in your mental ability? What is it that you want to learn new, get some new knowledge, work on your mind? Yeah, where do you think you want to improve? Mental ability. Please write down what is it that you want to improve in your mental ability. Good memory, good knowledge, learning a new skill. What is it? Yeah? Any example? What do you want to do?
Good communication.
Okay. Write it down quickly and clearly. What is it that you want to improve? Okay. Now, how many of you are emotionally unstable? How many of you cry easily? किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, मैंने रो दिया. Yeah? Anybody? Say a big yes if you're emotionally sensitive. Yes. Oh, a lot of you. So please write down, how do you want to be emotionally stable? Because it's important to be emotionally stable. Very strong emotionally. Because you know, behek jana and then goes wrong. Yeah? So Arima, you said that you can cry easily. And then do you say, tumne mujhe rulaya? Yeah, you say that? It's just that you are crying. It's not somebody who is making you cry. Nobody has the ability to make you cry if you just say, it's okay. Yeah? So just tell them, you have an opinion, that's okay. I'm not going to be disturbed. Yeah? So write down emotionally what you want to work on yourself. How do you want to work emotionally to be strong? Quickly write down. Once you're done, quickly tell me done. Done? Next, we'll talk about the financial condition. What do you want to achieve before December? Write it down with complete clarity, which is achievable. You can't write something which you're not able to do. Write something small, big, medium, large, extra large, okay? But it has to be achievable, doable, believable. What's the number? Write down by December with the Happy New Year. You're going to let me know that I made this. Write down. Your financial goals need to be clear. Once you're done, let me know. You're done. Done? Now, what are your spiritual goals? Any spiritual trips that you want to do? Any spiritual retreats you want to attend? Any spiritual courses you want to do? Any spiritual work you want to do? Any practices that you want to do? Write it down. Once you're done, let me know. Any dones? Yes? So I want to give you 1 year time to achieve everything that you have written in your paper. Energy, blockages, vibration, anything that you want to change, put it on that paper. If I haven't mentioned something, you can put that also, whatever you want to achieve. It's maybe your career, maybe your relationship. Yes, I'm sorry. Want to work on your relationship? Write it down. It could be any relationship. Anybody you're having a rift for a while, you want to sort that. Write it down. Unnecessarily, you shouldn't keep that. You want to forgive someone, you want to forget someone, write that. Anything else that I've forgotten, also you write that, what you want to achieve by next year in your life. Health. Yeah, health. Whatever is your health condition you want to work on, please write down. And how many of you believe that this can be done? Yes. Very nice. And how many of you feel that this can be done better if we manifest it together? Yes. Yes? So let's do a beautiful way of manifestation. It's called a letter from your future self. Today is 30th of March, 2025. Let's say it's 2026, 30th of March. Okay? Already today is 2026. And now you are writing a letter and telling, कि last year मैं actually overweight थी, अब कम हो गया. I worked on myself. Actually I was struggling to launch my course. हो गया. I am so happy. पूरा साल मैंने बहुत मेहनत किया, लेकिन I am so happy 2006 तक हो गया. I'm really happy. I wanted to get married, so I found a life partner. And I'm finally married. Whatever were your goals, please write it in the format that I am so happy I achieved it. Last year मैंने ये सब लिखा था, अब ये सब हो गया. Write it. I'll give you 5 minutes. I'll give you 5 minutes. Please write a beautiful letter. And if you have difficulty, let me know. So how much weight do you want to lose?
10 kilos.
I'm so happy I've lost 10 kilos. Like
And
that.
one by one.
Yes, one by one. I'm so happy I finished it. I'm so busy, I have no time. I'm taking care of my baby. Should I? My divine hand. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Why should I say why?
No, that's okay. You can write down. Yeah.
This much,
Yeah.
without a date?
I have
or
invited my divine. No, it's okay. That's 2025. 26. By then
In
you already-
2026, I should I say that?
Write it, yes.
In 2026, no month.
That's okay. That's 1 year from now.
Can I write a month?
Yes.
Okay, so
Right.
I'll tell March 2026. Thank you, ma'am.
I'm writing a letter to myself, right?
Yes.
So I have to write that I
From your future self. Future self. So अगर दीदी एक साल बाद लिखेगी तो कैसे लिखेगी? I'm so happy कि मेरा ये सब गोल मैंने लिखा था last year achieve हो गया. I wanted this to happen. हो गया. I'm now celebrating. So how would you celebrate
In
that?
future.
Yeah. Thank you.
आपको सिर्फ हाईवे पे है। ब्रैकेट में पीछे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग 33 लाइक 33
Yes. Correct.
Should we write the letter from the future
So
self?
yeah, what's your name?
Meghna.
So Meghna and 2026 is writing a letter. And she's
To
writing,
this self.
Yes. That I'm so happy that मुझे ये सब करना था हो गया.
Yeah.
Unnati 2.0, who is reading a letter which she wrote 1 year back, and how is she feeling now that she's reading it? With all the emotion. While reading, you should have that energy and emotion.
Thank you so much. I read it once in book to do this in some self-help book. I don't remember the book. So this is my ritual for every year. Like on 1st of January, I write it, and on 31st of December, I read it again. So from past few years, I'm doing it. So today, as I was asked to, so this is very personal and close to my heart. Okay, so hi Unnati, I'm very proud of you. See how much you have evolved.
So proud of you.
See how much you have evolved. I know that was so much at first, but see, like always, you figured out everything. You have again figured out. You are now earning so much. Everyone is so proud of you. You have lost so much weight. You have got and achieved what all things you wanted. See, baby, you made it yourself. You made yourself proud. I knew you can always do it. And yes, many congratulations. You became mother of twins. Thank you. Thank you.
That's exactly how you write a letter to yourself. I did this a couple of years back, and I definitely saw that I had manifested everything. And this is a beautiful manifestation technique. So each one of you, whatever you've taken away from here, please continue to, implement this every single day in your life. And now is the moment where I want to recognize and, celebrate with my various kinds of families that I have. One is my beautiful offline team who I meet every single day, personally, physically. So I request everyone from Body Vedant to please come here. We have very few people because they were celebrating Yugadi. Please come. These are the people who, I meet every day, associate every day, and, they are my support system. Me and Vandana are very peaceful because this entire team supports and helps us. So I want to really thank them from the bottom of my heart. Yes, come. Vandana, please come. So I want to take this moment and tell everybody that I've known Vandana for about 10 years. 10 years now, Vandana? 12 years. She's very good in numbers. All kind of numbers. So we met each other 12 years back. We worked for another company 12 years back. But about 9 years back, we met each other with a different vision. We were working for some other company and we met and we said, why not we start our own company? I think it's time. We have experience, we have money, we have the intelligence, we have the knowledge. I think time that we make our own company, and we started. I must say that with all the ups and downs, she's someone who's always stood by me. So I really want to thank her from the bottom of my heart that she's been an amazing partner. It's not easy to, run in partnership. So if it's 9 years and we are together and we are happy together, it's going to be for a lifetime. So Vandana, thank you for all that patience. And they always say, yes. And they always say कि जब partners होते हैं, you know, whether it's a life partner or a business partner, you know, somebody has some other strength and somebody has some other strength. Everything that I have, you know, she compliments me. She has certain strengths which I don't have. I have certain strengths maybe which are not that powerful in her. So we, you know, match each other. And we together run the show. And I'm so happy to tell you, with the entire team, we are very successful at Body Vedant also. Sneha ma'am knows that. Yes, Sneha ma'am knows that. Nagmani knows that. Sundaresh sir knows that. Yes, they all come and they see us. So thank you so much, Vandana. And you deserve the Best Partner Award, Best Business Partner Award. And I want to really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart and say thank you for coming into my life as a business partner.
Yes.
Online team, we have Charan. How many of you know Charan? And how many of you think the 2 days event was really good because of Anu's comparing? Please come in, Anu. Get some bracelets for them also. Charan? Padma Shri. Yes. Charan, please come. And then we have our little crystal team, Chandan. Chandan, please come. He's been helping me with crystals. He does a lot of work with crystals. And I want to remember Mariam here. How many of you know Mariam? How many of you feel her voice is like angel? Yes. So even if she's not present here, she is a psychology student and she had her exams. So I want to say thank you to Mariam for being there as a support system. Charan and Mariam are someone I call at any time, midnight. He works even midnight. So I message him and he messages back immediately. I'm extremely grateful to have such a beautiful online team. Thank you, Anu, for making this event a beautiful success. So, yeah, Darsh, Sapna, they're all people who are definitely there behind the team. Thank you so much. Sharon has been really working for a really, yesterday night, today night, yesterday, all the time he's running around packing things. Yeah, the awards that you got, the certificates that you have got, everything he's working behind it. Thank you so much, Sharon. Krupa Kamari, give them some, yes. Yes. These crystal bracelets will definitely help them grow even more in whichever field they are. So thank you so much for supporting me. Yes. And now I want to really thank my parents. Whenever anybody grows up, they say that the foundation has to be very good. Only if the foundation is good can anybody grow up. अगर foundation अच्छा है तो building कितना भी ऊंचा बढ़ सकता है. So you are just seeing me on the stage today, but they are seeing me. They were the one who gave me birth, and they have given me such an excellent foundation. My dad has done everything that a dad should do. He never said, like I say, he never said no to anything. He gave us the best of whatever he could, the best of education, best of life that we could. And my mom has been a disciplined, strict mother. Today you see her smile and she's like this because now she's a grandmother. The grandchildren have taken over. But as a mother, she was giving importance to discipline, to homework, to education, to punctuality, to tell the truth, to be honest, to be having integrity. I've done only one mistake and I want to say sorry for it. Today, I have just gone in one way away from my mom's decision. I've said yes to everything. I got married without her choice. It was just not her choice, it was my choice. But then she appreciated after she had a meeting with him and she said, okay, let's do it. And I had a grand arranged marriage. So Mama, I'm sorry, I broke your heart. It's not a mistake. It's not a mistake.
Find a better guy than him.
And you all see my sister. Yeah. She's been my support system, not in the 2 days, but in my entire, I don't want to reveal her age now. Whatever is the number of years that she's there, she's always been my support system. And after we got married, both of us, we got even closer. Like as children, we were fighting and we were not very close at that time because that, sister jhagda. But now, I just say that every little thing, like you feel that, there's a problem, who do I call? I don't have to think because she's one person I call immediately. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She only, sir. Who used to fight more? She only, sir.
Guys, I think Krupa...
Sir, she was not crying. She was not fighting, sir. She used to cry. And as soon as she cries, my parents used to say, it's because of you. So, that's how I used to get the dart. Otherwise, no. She never used to fight like that, sir. And then my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law. I'm so blessed. Everyone can have good parents. But I have amazing in-laws. Mother-in-law, father-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, devar. Anybody you name it. And they're amazing. And this I say from the bottom of my heart. And one thing is my parents say that. You have such an amazing family.
Madhura, sorry, guys, I think Krupa truly deserves a standing ovation. No, seriously, the kind of a help, the kind of a support she's been doing, I think everyone is observing from past 2 days, right? So she is here, not only as the backbone of her, Madhura, did anything and everything, right? It's not so easy. Right? So a big round of applause for Krupa for being that support system for Madhura. Thank you so much, Krupa.
And like I said, when the foundation is ready, you need to build a building on it. Yeah. When I wanted to fly, I wanted to reach great height, whether it was I want to make a Body Vedanta company, I want to launch myself online, I want to launch myself offline, I want to do something in my house, I want to make reel, make courses, do high ticket, low ticket, anything that I ever wanted, my husband gave me wings to fly. I just used to tell him, Janu, mujhe ye karna hai. I feel like I want to do this. Janu, I want to do this. And he used to say, go ahead. And I think that go ahead is one thing where, it doesn't stop you to think that should I not? Will I be able to? Will I not be able to? Can I do it? Can I not do it? So I want to say thank you for giving me those wings to fly. And now I invite each one of you from my family to please come here. Let's celebrate together. Mom, Dad, please come. Auntie, Hema, please come. And yes, someone who could change my mom's thought about my marriage is my son. After he came, she said, wonderful. If you have given me such a wonderful baby, I think, yes, Girish is the best person. So I love you, Advait. All that I can say is thank you for coming into my life. Yes, and these two kids, he's the first rank holder and he's the naughty one. He's Adu say, I'm a super healer.
I am a super healer.
Yes. Say one healer in every house.
One healer in every house.
Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations, everyone.
You have.
Huh?
I love you.
I love you.
Yes. Someone can just get the cake this side. Yeah. You want to talk?
Yes, I want him to talk.
Yes.
Next.
Hello, everybody. Great healers. Great moment. A wonderful moment for me. A proud moment for me. I could see my daughter. I call her affectionately, not Madhura, Madhu Beta. What a moment I am going through, a proud moment. What I could see. Whenever I hear from you, you healers, that it changed. Madhura Girish changed my life. I was like this, I was like this. It really changed. What else a father wants at this age? Not money, not anything. A daughter who can bring a few lovely words, a noble job she is doing, I can hear. We doctors say, noble job. We are medical healers, surgical healers. She is a different healer altogether. Wonderful healer she is. She has changed many words' life. Congratulate you, dear.
Thank you so much.
Keep doing.
Yes.
I can see you will grow to much more heights.
Yes.
Wonderful. Keep it up. All the best,
Thank
dear.
you so much.
Good evening, everybody. What I want to say is not much. Like others were going through some problem or anything. 2004, even I was undergoing the same. They both were not healers, or they were still college students. I had reached almost top, but the love from these three brought me back. Today, what I am living is a bonus. Without knowing that they are healers, they gave me so much positive energy or positive love, what I don't know. But all doctors, they see now, you're still there. They are surprised in Hubli. Whenever I go to any function, I meet doctors. They were the one treating. So I want to say thank you to these three of my life force. Nothing else more than that. They both were angels in my life that time also. Yes. Now I can see angels now. But they were already that time, the angels with me. I'm proud to be mother of these two. And my husband made me proud. And these three, though, my living force now. These three. She keeps telling, you were strict to me, you were scolding me for this. The same mistake they do, I don't allow them to scold this. This is what the change. And I was very short-tempered. She made me this normal, loving, caring human. This, I want to thank her. And my both son-in-laws, they were amazing. It was her choice. One is my choice. But both matched more than what I expect. They have kept my daughters happy, so much happy.
No regrets.
No regrets for her choice, for my choice, our choice, both. So I want to thank my both son-in-laws. They are sons to me. And coming to in-laws, she has 8 in-laws. No, 9. They are 9 sisters. I don't know, 4th or 5th she is. I am 5th. So all of them love her the same, more than what I love her. Sometimes I scold her, they don't scold her. So today I'm here thanking all of them, all 8 of them. This is what I can say. Thank you for all you making my daughter angel. So thank you once and.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ. ಯುಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್, ಥೋಡ ಹಿಂದಿ ಮೇ ಬಿ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಲವ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ರಿಯಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ thankful to universe. We are very blessed family, never seen ever. Because Amma is there, 92. She has 9 sisters. We are 9 sisters. 1 is lost actually, 8 is now. 22 grandkids Amma have. 21 grandkids she have. So, 5th generation is now coming actually. Next generation is on the way. But we have such a beautiful family. Everyone, they are very gem in their path. All of them. We are not seeing it. She is my daughter-in-law. He is my son-in-law. Not like that. All our son, all our daughters only. We never think about that. Whatever it may be. Okay, Madhu, I want to do. Okay, it will do. Even I am not her own mother-in-law, but she is.
She is my mother-in-law's younger sister.
So, I the fifth number in that house, our family. So we are blessed with Madhu and all whoever comes in our family, really we are gems. Without gold, there is no diamond shining actually. So our kids are, diamond means they are gold. With two only it's shining. So our family is shining like that. So I'm thankful to universe really. Then next I want to say for Madhu. It is Madhu's function event. Really I'm very thankful to her. When I am in tough time, I can't express my way that one. She is always with me. She is everything, auntie it is go. Whatever it may be, she will always with me. Now, after all thinking, I am thinking why I have to do healing and all like that. But now I am thinking Madhu is doing. So Madhu is there, our healer in our home only. Why we have to do? But now we decide, we too. We too decided now, just sit and decide. We have to do. Then one thing, you are not telling Telugu then. I want to do in Kannada. Really, thankful to all. I taken your time so much. Sorry. Again, thank you. Dhanyavad.
Hello, good evening. Even I want to say a few words about Madhu. We call her Madhu. She's no my baby. We call her Madhu. She has been always supportive whenever in my rough phase of my dark phase of my life. So there are few time where she supported me like own. Both my brother and my baby, they stood with me, and my brother said, whatever you do, I'm there, we are there with you. And at some stage, I got introduced to those healing modalities. First, she said, you heal yourself. When I got the result, I started connecting with others. I started understanding those problems. And today, there are many results I have got. There are a lot of improvements in my life. And I have seen the improvements in the clients also. So she's very supportive, very much happy to have Madhu in our life, and very, very happy. Once again, congrats, and let her grow more and more and more and more. Thank you.
I know from yesterday you're seeing me, so you must be bored, but I'll take just 2 minutes for her. Thank you. I don't have a PPT presentation or anything ready, so whatever I speak, idhar se rahega. So hi everyone, this is Madhura Girish, and if you like me, sorry. Hi everyone, this is Madhura Girish's sister. लेकिन ये वीडियो मैंने इतने बार रिकॉर्ड कर लिया है कि मेरे मुंह से ये आ रहा है. So जो आप पहले वाले वीडियोस देख रहे हैं, so it's me who have shot those videos. So whether you like it or no, it's me. एंड उसके लिए जितनी डांट मुझे मिली है ये ऐसा एंगल रहना चाहिए, ऐसा सिर के ऊपर इतना दिखना चाहिए, इतने पास से नहीं लेना चाहिए वीडियो, इतने दूर. तो मैं तो प्रोफेशनल हूँ नहीं. सो ग्रोथ के बारे में अगर बात करना हो, जो मैं इसके लिए रील्स और फोटोज़ बना रही थी, आज ये प्रोफेशनल लोग इसके लिए बना रहे हैं. सो दिस इज़ हर ग्रोथ. I think like that. From me to these people taking her videos. And definitely I would not miss this opportunity to tell you. जैसे ये 2 दिन के इवेंट में I was here for you. पूरी लाइफ लोग प्रोमिसेस बना रहे हैं कि मैं ये कोर्स लूँगी और वो कोर्स. आई एम नॉट श्योर ऑफ दैट, बट एंटायर लाइफ आई विल बी राइट बिसाइड यू, एंड जस्ट व्हेन यू लुक अराउंड आई विल बी देयर फॉर यू ऑलवेज. आई लव यू सो मच, एंड थैंक यू मम्मी, पापा, माई किड्स, एवरीवन हियर फॉर गिविंग अस दिस लाइफ. And thank you, all of you. I feel so special. This is the last thing I'll be telling. When she calls me, I tell her, Akulu, I'm busy. I'll talk to you later. And when I come here, I realize people are waiting to talk to her, and one-on-one calls and all that. And I am like, I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'll talk to you later. I'll not miss your calls now, definitely. So, and she goes low very less number of times. She's always high of energy. But whenever she feels low, I don't feel good, but I feel special. I'll tell you why. बिकॉज ये जो पूरी दुनिया के लोगों को हील कर रही है, जब ये लो होती है, ये मुझे कॉल करती है. सो हाउ स्पेशल एम आई? यू गॉट इट? सो व्हेन योर मेंटर फील्स लो, शी कॉल्स मी. सो दिस, आई एम sorry, but I feel special that time, that she's calling me, and thank you for all the love and appreciation. दो टाइप के सपोर्ट होते हैं लाइफ में. एक रहता है डायरेक्ट सपोर्ट जो हम करते हैं कि यू गो अहेड, यू डू इट, वी आर विथ यू, जो बहुत ज़रूरी है. बट आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट द इनडायरेक्ट सपोर्ट जो लाइफ में रहता है, जो लोग बोलते नहीं हैं आई एम विथ यू. द फर्स्ट वन इज़ दिस फेलो, माई फेवरेट जीजू, जो मुँह से नहीं बोलता कि आई एम विथ यू, जो उधर बैठा रहेगा लेकिन पूरा अरेंजमेंट इन्होंने किया है. सो थैंक यू फॉर दैट. विदाउट लाइफ में आगे हम बढ़ जाएंगे, लेकिन जो स्पीड और एक्सेलरेशन चाहिए वो सपोर्ट से चाहिए. सो ही हैज़ बीन लाइक मधु यू डू इट, बाकी सब आई विल टेक केयर. बच्चे को खिलाना हो व्हेन ही वाज स्मॉल टू एवरीथिंग, ही सेज यू डू योर पीपीटी, यू डू योर वेबिनार, बाकी का आई एम देयर. सो फर्स्ट पर्सन आई वुड लाइक एवरी वन ऑफ यू टू क्लैप टू हिम. And second one for this boy, I'll tell you why. Come Madhu. एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहता है बच्चों के लिए हमारा. बट ही इज़ लाइक मम्मी तुम अपना कोर्स रिकॉर्ड कर लो, मैं मैगी या कुछ बना लूँगा, डोंट वरी. यस. एंड व्हेन वी आर देयर ही सेज मम्मी का रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है, आप लोग स्लो बात करो. सो मैं अपना काम कर लूँगा, लेट मम्मी हैव हर टाइम एंड स्पेस. सो ये वाला जो सपोर्ट ज़रूरी होता है लाइफ में, दीज पीपल इज इमोशनल ऑलरेडी. सो जो दिखता नहीं है, हम लोग आई एम ऑलवेज टेलिंग हर आई एम देयर, शी कॉल्ड मी एंड टोल्ड आई हैव एन इवेंट, आई टोल्ड हर आई विल बी देयर. तो ये एक सपोर्ट जो चाहिए. दूसरा सपोर्ट ये चाहिए कि तुम अपना करो, हम है तुम्हारे लिए, जो वर्ड्स में नहीं एक्शन में दिखता है. सो गुडो. Yes, and even this boy has been a wonderful support. Thank you, Addu, from my side. Thank you, everyone. आप जितने लकी हो उतना ये भी लकी है to have all of you. I said 2 minutes, maybe I took a little more because ये स्टेज के सामने मुझे ये बोलना था. So thank you. I love you.
And there's one person who actually hid and went outside the hall so that I don't call him. Yeah. And then we have no option but to come on the stage. He has stage fear and he has to clear that. Come. Okay, say I love you on the stage.
I love you. Good evening, super healers. And obviously, day for yesterday, we had already welcomed you for the event which was supposed to happen yesterday and today. And hope you all have enjoyed and gained some knowledge what your mentor has given you, and she been supporting us, you all in growing, and we are also learning something. But definitely, yes, everybody have their own way of taking their life. But definitely I don't take my life very seriously. I'm very chill guy. So ऐसा ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेते हम. Since I also worked with hotel industry, so that I know all these arrangements. This is everyday routine for me because setting up organization and all those things. So अगर कुछ event में कम हुआ तो I'm very sorry. ठीक है. अगर course में कम हुआ तो then she is going to take care. ठीक है. Thank you each and everyone, and definitely we look forward to see you all very soon once again with more number of super healers with their dreams coming, with lot of dreams which they have already have and came all the way from different cities, various states, and I feel very happy and proud to see you all. And the excitement I used to see in the WhatsApp group, क्या यार ये लोग इतना, I don't know, like I used to ask her, ये क्या यार तुम ग्रुप में से लोग क्यों ऐसा है? Are they coming for a wedding? Somebody had posted recently, which color you are wearing, which color list. I said, what is this happening? And I used to tell her, group में मत add कर किया यार, because I'm already into my other officials, lot of groups. So definitely, once again, I want to thank you all, and very wonderful time for 2 days. Even I got a very long, good break. So with you all, ठीक है? Thank you so much. Love you all. ठीक है? Thank you.
I actually fixed these dates on 25th and 26th because it was my mom's birthday, but because it was a weekday, we decided let's do it in the weekend. So let's all celebrate my mom's birthday because like she said, she went halfway and came back. It's special, right? So definitely. And I'd like all of you to join us. This is celebrating, family, togetherness, Please come, join us.
ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕೇಳಿ.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Amma. Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Amma. Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How was your 2 days experience? How was it?
Mind blowing.
How was the experience?
Amazing.
Awesome!
I'm already a super healer.
Amazing. Cannot even explain. I never thought it will be this good.
Yes, unimaginable, unexpressible, right? So, having the affirmations, sowing the seeds, we are going to be back with one more super event as early as possible. I would like to go ahead and bid farewell for the day. Thank you so much for being here and making this event memorable. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Say thank you.
Yeah, one minute. Okay, but before that, I would like to thank not only Madhura, but the entire family for being there for us. All healers for 2 days and supporting each one of us and making it even more memorable for us. Yes, a big thank you and a great round of applause again for the whole family of Madhura. Thank you so much, Madhura.
Yes, you can start coming. Thank you so much. I want you to take some time and explore Bangalore. Bangalore is an amazing place. Go shopping. Yeah. So thank you so much for coming. And I want to see each one of you again in the next event. How many of you are coming again? Yeah. And how many of you want to come on the stage with your success stories? Yes. Yes. Thank you so much for coming.
I want to know how many will call her. You should call us also with her for your events. I'll be expecting soon.
The two little angels who helped me throughout. Did you see these guys telling you, get inside quickly? Aditya and Akanksha, please come. Yeah, someone who gave you all the certificates. Please come. Come running, baby. Come, run. Yes. Thank you so much for being there. They're the volunteers for the day. Anu's children. Thank you so much. Tell me which. No. Hug me. Thank you so much. Yeah, no. Aditya, no. Yes. Thank you so much. Yes.
Normally, they have been attending my events, my sessions from the day they are in my womb, both Aditya and Akanksha, even when I used to shoot. But first time when I said, it's my friend's event, so can you guys come? They just, saw each other's face and they were like, I said, you have to come, be ready, 9 o'clock, we are going, 2 days, you guys are with me. They didn't even utter a word. Holiday starts. It started from yesterday and they said, yes, Mama. And they were ready, right? Thank you so much, Adi and Akanksha, for being there with me. Thank you. Right? Yeah, sure. Tell everyone. I would. Now, yes, we are bidding farewell temporarily though. Our cards are connected always, right? I would request everyone to muh meetha karo. Right? With all that happiness and sweet memories, do go back and ensure, just the way we spoke in the first reel, what I posted in the group, collect all the memories, start posting it again and again and again. Let's make a nostalgic collection of memories out of it. All right? Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. Please take the cake. It is there, which is served at the last. Please collect the cake. Please have.